What's up, guys? Guess who's back? Long time no see. Hey, I thought I'd jump on here and do a quick video, obviously because it's been a minute and the consistency and frequency kind of died down. I had told myself I was going to take a little break from social media prior to the Connected Leaders Academy event. And then as soon as I got back, I told myself I was going to jump back on it as soon as I got back. But then when I got back, I was like, wow, I actually kind of enjoy not doing social media. I think I'm going to give myself another couple weeks. So it's been a couple weeks since I've been back. A lot of things have happened. The event was fantastic. So I got a lot of things to share with you guys. There was a book launch. I was a part of this book launch and I'm one of 15 authors in this book launch. And so I'll promote that here. I have not been doing a good job of promoting it. I've been missing like the marks, but regardless of that, we actually are on our way to becoming, if not already are, a #1 bestseller. So that's pretty exciting. And then the most exciting thing is this just happened. I just got a knock at the door and got served this, not for me, but for the Grant Cardone and John Legere case. I've been summoned to submit a deposition. So I'll keep you guys posted on what that's all about. I'm excited to learn a little bit more about that. So anyways, stay tuned, right?